Hello, dear friends. How are you doing today? I truly hope that everything in your life is going well and that you are surrounded by good energy. In this video, I want to share with you a very useful and simple tip that will help you save money and avoid unnecessary spending at the pharmacy. Stay with me until the very end of the video so you can learn this natural method in detail. The first thing you're going to need is a container, and into it you will place 100 grams of rice. Do not worry about the type. Any rice that you have in your kitchen will work perfectly. Let us put it in the container and prepare for the next step. If you enjoy content like this, focused on natural remedies and simple organic solutions, make sure to click on the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my new videos. And I would love it if you could also tell me in the comments which country you are watching from, because I always find it amazing to see how far these videos can travel around the world. Now take 700 milliliters of water and pour it over the rice. Grab a spoon and mix it very well, making sure the rice water starts forming. Keep stirring carefully so that all the nutrients are released. The main ingredient in this recipe is rice water. Perhaps you did not know this, but rice holds many essential nutrients that are extremely beneficial for our body. Unfortunately, we often throw away the water without realizing that it is actually filled with valuable properties. In this video, you will discover how to use that rice water in a practical way to improve your well-being. Once you have stirred the mixture thoroughly, strain out all of the rice and keep only the liquid. Take another larger bowl. Place a sieve on top, and separate the water from the rice grains. At this point, you should have only the rice water left. Into this, you're going to add another 700 milliliters of fresh water. Then take 2 spoons of baking soda and add them to the bowl. Stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved in the liquid. Now prepare to soak your feet in this mixture. Place them inside and allow them to rest there for about 15 to 20 minutes. The combination of rice water and baking soda will help ease any inflammation in the feet. Whether you suffer from plantar fasciitis, heel spurs, or other kinds of irritation, this natural remedy will bring comfort and relaxation. Allow your feet to stay in the mixture for the full 20 minutes so the effect is stronger. After that, gently dry them using a towel or a clean cloth. If you like, you can also apply a moisturizer to finish the process and give your skin an even softer touch. This is a simple, inexpensive, and completely natural way to take care of yourself without relying on chemical products. If you enjoyed this helpful tip, remember to subscribe so you never miss any of my natural and organic recipes. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I send you a warm hug. God bless you. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye for now.